The Synjuk Kikli Nong Sinshar Shinong Mausanram block has raised concerns over the decision of the Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited MEPDCL to hand over power management in the Mausanram region to SAI Computers Limited without proper clearance. Acting on growing public dissatisfaction, members of the Synjuk met SAI Computers Limited project manager Rajiv Ranjan on the 25th of November 2025 to gather detailed information about the company and its role in the area. The visit came after the Synjuk had already submitted a memorandum to Power Minister Metba Lingdo, during which it reportedly discovered that the company had yet to obtain the required no objection certificate to operate. The traditional leaders argued that allowing the firm to function without the mandatory approval raised serious procedural and administrative concerns. Speaking to the media, Synjuk chairman Hyamdo Rapsang said MEPDCL should retain control of power distribution in the area, stating that the current arrangement had caused difficulties for villagers. He emphasized that the corporation, being the responsible authority, ought to manage electricity supply without depending on a firm that has not completed essential documentation. Hyamdo Rapsang also added that the Synjuk has given SAI Computers Limited a one-week deadline to produce all necessary documents. If the company fails to comply, he said, the Synjuk will move to demand the suspension of its operations in the Mausanram region.
Ilawan menekendo yai ba metba badai minister in charge jongka bawa bat banbu hei ya ka memorandum kajing terpat yai pada kalian jongi kum ki patba jong kali ka dok tathai Mausanram da ka jingya kelilang kini ki no sha baro mi sngodai da ka wi kasur ba ngien persha hagabe dei bat kajing ai shiki company ya kani ka Mausanram subdivision kipat ba kibapun lesi kikwa bantip ya kajing shisha ba kajing ai ya shaki company tang ya kani ka Mausanram subdivision kalajia hausnam arza kanda abaka MPDCL kala IT sha ka fedco na kabenta ka kontrak ship hosnam ketika ship hosnam kampat kun dai na kadau joki kendrum kibapun 8 sangek no ya ketika kontrak batki bat menta na kalian jongka MPDCL kala IT biang syakani ka SAI Computer Limited ni na kalian jongki kli nok sensya hadin bangila experience bat ngila ma ya ki babun ki jing jongki patba ki bapenon kam ya ka boarding electric da ka jing bom ya smooth hu jingwat bat ki bun ki kendrom ka jing bom ya bet ki babun ki snong ki thau nila shim tam kawi garai kalomba ka MEPDCL kan shim ti hi dalade bat ba kambit ban IT shakino ginoki company bat shushu nang tangis nguthu ka jingwan de jongi bani kendo menta yoni project director or project manager jong kani ka SAI Computer Limited kalomba katkum ka jing nguthu ba ka jing tep ka jongi kalomba shim yo ya kanu ka NOC ba unwan bu ya kata kata trikam junggu hamni Mausanram bat ban pentrikam ya kata kam hapo jongani ke subdivision borok away di bangilai kendu mentayu ni project manager kajing itu kajungku kalongba simyo lani upat yo ya kanu ka NOC di halor jong kata kajing bomyo NOC kajungku kalong persya ya kiriti trikam jongki dor barsnong kujongi banengkong kino ki company dan kino ki non driver ki bamot banwan sengkam sengjam hapo upol usam jogi ka khasi janjai jogi nengkong ki don kam banyo ikenusi henry ka clear menta ka shai menta ka longba na kalian jongkani ka company kam pachmio ya ka NOC bat ngira ong yaki ba mi iPod yaki tang shitayo ba kin penbiang ya kita ke provide balada kimla banyo ya kita ke NOC na kalian jongi ni ong ki bagi di ban sange sisndan ya kali kajing traikam makalong bean ban penyang ya kita ki company ki jongki ban traikam klem dayo ya kita ka NOC Pat syuru kata ke enosi ngasukran hange benta benjai. Namar kamut tam na kawai ka dor bersno. Banyo ke enosi. Namar kanjing operate na kanjing terikam juga ni ka company kan long hapo ka subdivision berkoi. Bat kani ka subdivision ka kan thok daki ars pa tam le sik tadi gisno. Iklan kanjing menjur lang jo kita gisno barokai. Pat kam tam upai ba dak basyai. Kado besnong kanu besnong kamla pan ai ya genosi sya kanu ko company namar ngimla pan kit klik ngimla pan tip basashi posnem kani ka contract bat kani ka sai computer limited kai ka banjia yo pai ba bobon tina kata kadau ka jingker pat ka jongi bat ka jingker tu ka jongi ya kani ka company bakan le swai kita ke badan kam baro bat kajing pen kan mauru kalong ia ka state government leng ba minister in charge jong ka power ba hadin bagi ladap ai ya ka ni ka memorandum ba kajing persngau na kalian jongi ba ka MEPDCL hi kan shimti no ya kata ka kam kumbaka lem ha ki wai ki subdivision ki division ki ba per hapo kan ni ka jela ka jongi ndai ka bangi tip kalong ba ha khasi jantia tang ya ka mausun ram bor wai o tang ya ka mausun ram marwai ban aish ki company tinggi ko amat ong ta lada ka don ka jing bha ka don ka jing mentoi ka don ka jing yono haba pi aish ko company bali phim ailam shiki bairu bat lada ka sneu kata ka jing aish ki company bat ka pendu nong ya ka tna kumbalat ya thu ka pendu ban pen khen no e ka contract bat ka fet ko balai phi dang continue ban aishu shiki company kani ka bo ye ka jing ka bo ye ka jing ma yangi ki ba penon kam boarding bat ka jingkit klik jungi ko pinong sisa snong ru kalong nak mentau pat ba babon bat ka wei ka ba kham don kam ka ba kham ka jingdu ka ba khrau kalong ba anda ngilawat bnia ki wan ki scheme na po central kum kani ka RDS ki ba dei ki one time scheme kini ki one time scheme ki ban wan ra e jingtoi ki ba bon ki pat ba ki bala shot ki boarding electric ki jongki na ki dau ki pending bills ki ba bon andrei ki ba play kini ki pai ba ki ba bon ki dei ki briu ki ba dok ki riu gan thei ki long kemi hadin ba ke jing bong lak su kan siwi ki belai lengba kani ka RDF kadon ka subsidy handre ya ka taru ngidu tek bomut la don ka iki ke jing kata iki pai ba akani ka dong ka than ka jongi sashi post nem ngindu iki ba kom kita tingim buasu ngin chupun kot swatang kata bat ngin pet ke na kalian jong ka na kalian jong minister badi pet ya kani katrat wei badi banle pada kabedi bat kani ka sai computer limited ru nila de ong lupai ki ba la friday kin penji kena ha kabedi bat kita ki energi bagi wei lem kum ta ki di ban sange chesendan ya kani ka jintri kam ke jong